Hello, everyone. Welcome to Sam Podcast with me, Mr. Sam. I hope you're all doing great today. Today's topic is a bit special and very interesting, especially for those who love water, fish, and nature. Our topic is, what is the study of aquaculture and aquarium science?
Hello, Mr. Sam. Hello, everyone. I'm Emily, and I'm really excited to talk about this topic today.
Great to have you here, Emily. Let me start with a very simple question for beginners. When people hear aquaculture or aquarium, they usually think about fish tanks at home. Is that all this study is about?
That's a very common idea. But no, it's much more than just keeping fish in a tank.
Oh, then what exactly is aquaculture?
Aquaculture is the study of raising fish, shrimp, and other aquatic animals and plants in controlled environments.
Oh, so it's like farming, but in water.
Exactly.
It's often called fish farming. Interesting. Then what about aquarium science?
Aquarium science focuses on keeping aquatic animals healthy, designing aquariums, and understanding water quality.
That already sounds more scientific than I expected.
Yes, it involves biology, chemistry, and environmental science.
Let me argue a little. Why should students study aquaculture when we can just catch fish from the ocean?
That's a great beginner question.
I think many people think that way.
The problem is that overfishing can harm oceans and reduce fish populations.
Oh, that doesn't sound good.
Aquaculture helps produce seafood in a sustainable way without damaging nature.
So it helps protect the environment.
Yes, when done responsibly.
Let me challenge you again. Is this study only for people who live near rivers or the sea?
Not at all.
Really?
Aquaculture systems can exist inland, and aquarium science is useful everywhere, even in cities.
So city students can study fish too.
Exactly.
Some beginners think this field is easy, just feeding fish every day.
If only it were that simple.
What else do students learn?
They learn about water quality, fish nutrition, disease control, breeding, and tank design.
That sounds like a lot of responsibility.
It is. Fish health depends on careful management.
Is chemistry really important in this field?
Yes, water temperature, oxygen, and pH levels are very important.
Wow, so one small mistake can cause big problems?
That's right.
What kind of jobs can students get after studying aquaculture and aquarium science?
Many jobs. Fish farm manager, aquarium technician, marine assistant, researcher, or environmental officer.
Impressive chuckle. That's more career options than I expected.
Because food, environment, and education all need this knowledge.
Does this study help with food security?
Yes, aquaculture helps provide affordable protein for people around the world.
That's very important. Short pause.
And aquarium science also helps educate the public about aquatic life.
So it teaches people to respect water ecosystems.
Exactly.
Let me summarize for our beginner listeners. The study of aquaculture and aquarium science is about raising aquatic life, managing water environments, and protecting ecosystems using science and care.
That's a very clear and simple explanation.
Thank you, Emily.
It's a great field for students who love nature, science, and water.
I completely agree.
Nice sound effect.
All right, everyone, we're coming to the end of today's episode. Emily, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you, Mr. Sam. I really enjoyed our conversation.
And thank you to all our listeners for tuning in.